Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to bind your Memefi wallet in OKX accounts in SUI wallets, okay? But before you continue with this video, make sure that you have watched the previous video that I posted, because this particular video is a continuation of the previous video that I posted, okay? So once you open it, all you need to do is to import your Memefi wallet to this OKX wallet, okay? In case if you don't have account before, you just click on import. You see it in your dashboard, in your OKX Web3 dashboard, okay? Import an account. But if you already have an account with OKX Web3 wallet, just click here. You then click on add wallet, okay? You click on import wallet, okay? You click on seed phrase or private key. So all you need to do is to go to your Memefi account in your Telegram to copy your Memefi key phrase to paste it here, okay? So once you open your Memefi, you click on wallet. You're going to click on this place. You click on copy to clipboard. You copy your seed phrase. You go back to your OKX Web3 wallet. So you're going to paste the key phrase that you copied from your Memefi account. Once you paste it, you click on confirm, okay? Okay, so as you can see, the account is being imported, okay? So you can rename it if you want. You click on this place. So as you can see, wallet E, you click here. You click here to rename it. You can name it Memefi. So that you remember, you confirm. Okay, so you go back. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to add SUI, okay? So you click here. You search for it. SUI. Okay, see it here. Sorry. See it here. So all you need to do is to click on this plus sign. That means you have added it, okay? So you need to go back. Okay, so as you can see, is here. This is a part 2 of the other video, the previous video that I posted. So make sure that you watch the first video, then you come back to complete the second video, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. If this video is helpful, please kindly like my video, comment and share. Thank you.